The silky chicken, Silver, is sitting on the grass. She looks just like an ornament. Silver, are you comfortable there?
It's pretty good.
There's a sulfur-crested cockatoo. It's eating lemons. It picked a new one. What a mess it made. It eats a little and then moves on to the next one. It's holding a lemon with one foot and perching on a branch with the other. Cutting open the tough lemon peel. Its beak has incredible strength. It took another new lemon again. It also breaks branches. This parrot looks beautiful. Its entire body is white, and its crest is lemon-colored. And it's smart too. Its learning ability is amazing. It can understand how to open the lid of a container and do it by itself. Since it's wild, generally, we avoid feeding it. It will take several days eating lemons like this until they are all finished.
What's up?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.